what gave the strongest type of early warning signs when it came specifically to this environment we're in right now?
Yeah, I have a chart actually
Okay.
of in spot rates versus tender rejection rates, and you can see clearly in this chart. And the spot rate one is the thin line on top. No, not that one, but the other one that you had up there. This one right here. Yes.
Perfect.
So that green line that you have on top there, you can see that sharp uptick.
Mhm.
Like rejection rates are the white down below it. And that's
Yeah.
the percentage of loads that are being rejected by the carriers. Carriers typically don't reject freight, especially in a soft market. Typically, we see, if you look at this line closely, you see the rejection rates tend to lead outside of like, anytime you have a story
Yeah.
in the market, like holidays, everybody knows when July 4th is going to happen.
Sure.
And so these carriers are like, I don't have the capacity. I don't have the truck for you in this area. The market tends to know that's coming. So rates can increase in front of that without some structural stuff. So sometimes carriers can get a little ahead of themselves, and the rates tend to increase faster there. But then when you get the tender data behind it, it really has some force. And that's when the market can turn. This one right now, I think we're going to see the spot rate increase first.
Okay.
And that's going to eventually, and this is a sharp uptick. October is not a month where freight tends to explode like
Not
this.
at all.
If I were to show you the seasonality view of the NTI here, October is pretty much just a flat to down month coming out of September every time, outside of some hurricanes.
Yep.
But this one looks like it's going to lead the tender data, because what's going to happen is as spot rates increase, you're going to see these larger relationships fall apart a little bit, because financially speaking, those spot rates are going to exceed those contract rates.
Mm.
And once it gets into that 10, 15% above a contract rate,
Yeah.
that's when these larger carriers are going to say, man, I gave you a deal, but I'm getting paid 20% more to do the same job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.